Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. See how you can draw the playable characters from the game Among Us. This step-by-step tutorial is easy, but the results look great, so let's get started. To draw the Among Us player, we need to start by drawing a large potato shape with legs at the bottom. The character is looking to the right of the page, so the backpack is on the left side. This is drawn with two lines coming out, which are connected together. The mask of the character is an oval shape which juts out slightly from the body. Often we draw the outline with a fine pen, but today we're using a thick marker since that's how the lines of the character look in the game. You can choose whatever colour you like to colour in your character. Today we're choosing green. Since the colours are nice and bold, you can use a thick pen, but make sure you get the lines nice and even. We are using a pencil to shade in some texture because it works with the green, but you can use a darker colouring pencil if you like. For the goggles or mask, we add a little shading to the bottom and side. This is our finished drawing of our Among Us character. If you want to know how to draw any other of your favourite video game characters, please leave your suggestion below and we'll see you next time.